Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: power, connectivity, and permissions. First, make sure airplane mode is off, toggle it on then off if unclear. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy, then Location Services, and enable it. This gives apps permission to access GPS. Next, select the specific app and enable precise location so the phone can use GPS and Wi-Fi together. These steps unlock the hardware and software, so the iPhone can provide accurate coordinates. Now you calibrate and refresh connections so the GPS can get a clean fix. Restart the iPhone, then the app that needs location. This clears temporary glitches. If that fails, reset network settings via Settings General Transfer or Reset. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular configurations without erasing data. Also toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to force a new scan, and move to an open area with a clear sky view. GPS needs unobstructed satellite signals to lock position quickly. Finish by eliminating software bugs and testing hardware behavior. Update iOS to the latest release because Apple often fixes GPS-related bugs. Once updated, check the app's permissions and reinstall it if location still misbehaves. Run the Compass app to trigger sensor calibration, then test in Maps. If location bounces or stays inaccurate, try a DFU restore only after backing up. If none of this helps, the issue could be hardware. Contact Apple support or visit a service provider for diagnostics and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.